If you plan on carrying a firearm for protection, then you need to take some classes so you can know how to use and shoot that firearm comfortably. Today, I'm going to be showing you a few things that you need to practice and know about that firearm. As I've said in other videos before, the video is never meant to be a replacement for a class. First, dry fire practice. But before you can dry fire practice, you need to make sure that your firearm is unloaded. Anytime you unload your gun, you want to take all of your ammo and you want to put it in a safe so that it's not sitting out or getting accidentally confused with pop caps. All right, now that we have our firearm unloaded and ready to do some dry fire practice, we're going to practice in many different situations and scenarios. This is going to help you because if you get out in a situation where you do have to use your firearm, you may not have the opportunity to get into a perfect shooting stance. So you need to be able to shoot from different stances and different positions comfortably. Next, you want to have extra ammo with you. Whether you have an EDC bag, a purse, or you want to utilize the cargo pocket on your pants, you need to have an extra mag with you. Should you ever have to draw and fire, a tack reload can literally save your life. Tack reload basically means if you've had to fire off a few shots and it's got calm for a second, you can go ahead and reload to your full mag. That way you have as many shots as possible without reloading again. Next, you need to know how to quickly and efficiently swap out your mags. This is something you should practice on a regular basis. When you change out your mags, you want to do this in your workspace, meaning between you and your threat. You should be able to see the threat on the other side of your firearm or through your trigger guard. The other thing that's very important and often overlooked when reloading is you need to make sure you know which side you're putting your mag in. In a heated situation, you may not remember which way it was in your pocket. So when you pull it out, you need to put your index finger right over the front of your mag and make sure you can feel the front of your bullet. And the last thing, know the background. If you do have to engage a shooter, you want to make sure that you have a clear shot and that you're not going to have any other civilians come between you and that shot. All right, guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg, but I want to know, if you do carry every day, what other tips do you have? Let us know in the comments below, and then make sure you head to Raider Red's YouTube channel and hit subscribe. From my home, I'm Luke Williams.